To begin your watercolour bookmarks, you can start by taping off the border for the bookmark. You can use masking tape for this, which gives it less chance of actually taking the paper off when you peel the masking tape off. And then you can just go in with a really watered down colour of your choice. I've used blue here. So you can apply it to the watercolour paper with plenty of water, and you can use your cotton wool to go in and just dab any excess water off. You can use this to kind of take away any colours in places where you want it to be slightly lighter. You can then go in with a slightly darker colour. You can kind of target the areas with the cotton wool where you might want it to be slightly lighter. So we're creating a sort of landscape image here. So the sky is the lightest, and then the hills towards the back are light and getting darker towards the front. So once you're happy with it, you can take your tape off, and it will reveal a nice crisp border. This is another one that I did that was more monochrome. You can add some tree details into these as well. And then finally, the last bookmark that I did was based on a sunset, so I used yellows and reds to blend together to create a sort of sunset image with some hills in the distance. So it's really up to you how you apply the paint, how you take it away. You can wait for the paint to dry in between layers, or you can use the cotton wool to dab any excess water off and to control the level of the paint and the boldness of the paint. So have a go at home and see how creative you can be with this. These make great presents as well. So I hope you enjoyed this week's workshop, and we'll see you again next week.